Hi everyone, welcome back to Half Passport Will Travel. I'm Melissa Lilly and I'm by myself today. I'm actually traveling to go see family for Father's Day, surprise to my dad. And I wanted to show the room I'm staying in at the airport for the night. So I'm actually in Orlando, so I'm at the Orlando International Airport and I'm in the Hyatt that's in the airport. And I'm staying here because I have an early morning flight. It's easier, I don't have to get up and travel insanely early or whatever it might be. So less hiccups, all of that. So this is a good chance for me to stay at the hotel so I can show you guys one of the rooms here at this hotel, which is conveniently located in the Orlando airport. It's on the pre-security side, so you can have people stay with you for the evening, go home, or whatever it might be. So this is a great hotel so far. I'm happy to show it. Okay, so this room is not terribly big, but it's actually more than adequate for me by myself. It does have this smart touch that you can use your key against, or you can actually use your phone. So it's secure, has the little sign as normal, a lock, and then an upper lock for additional security. So it stops the door. And when you first come in, nice short little hallway to the double queen. I'm a stickler on beds, so this is awesome. And I get to choose which bed's more comfortable. I've already tested. I'll be staying in the far bed, which is my preference anyways, further away from the door. So when you come in, you have open to the room, you have a little stool or ottoman with a little desk, a table you can put your purse and such on. Massive television. I honestly don't have a clue. I'm going to say it's probably 70 inches, give or take. I don't know. I'm bad with TVs. The remote is prepped and cleaned, and it's protected in the bag. However, you can also use your phone. So I actually am using my phone. There's an app to do that. There's also the menu, so you can scan the menu and see and order room service, which I've already done. We have a fabulous little coffee nook, and on top we have additional linens. We've got the safe. And we also have our coffee nook for those that want to know. So individual pour. It looks like we have one decaf and then a couple of dark roast. That's the classic. Excuse me, 2 decafs and the 2 dark roast. We've got some breakfast tea, other calming teas in the back there. 2 bottles of water. Of course, our cups. Ice bucket if I choose to go get ice. And then underneath we have a fridge that was already cold. So very, very, very happy about that. I've got my little desk over there, my backpack. I always travel with a backpack and typically a carry-on unless it's a longer trip. Desk. And here is our view. So this is an outward view, as they called it, and it looks like we have the air traffic control tower there, as well as the parking garage. So not much to look at, but it's an airport. I have seen some planes moving around, but not too much to look at the parking garage. Actually, we have a Spirit airline coming in right over that direction. So you might be able to stare at your car if you want. This, of course, for safety reason, does not open. Matter of fact, yeah, I can't, yeah, there's not moving. So it's safe if you have little ones. So very, very good size room. Oh, very modern in design. The light switches are here. On the back, you can turn it off individually. There's one on each side, so it doesn't matter which side you sleep on. These are little reading lamps that I can turn on. So if you want to read and you don't want to disturb a partner or somebody else in the room. Tons of pillows for me to pick from, which is great. And we've already ordered room service, as I mentioned. My husband was here, so we had dinner. Very modern phone, which is nice to see. It's actually cordless, which is great. Let's see, we've got our digital clock. And then down here, very happy to see we have USB ports as well as normal outlets for charging purposes. Very good. Oh yes, the thermostat. The thermostat's a nice modern thermostat. There we go. Easy to change, and you can change it to as precise as you pretty much want it to be. And if you're one of those people, You can change it to Celsius if you like, or Fahrenheit if your preference is that. Little closet area. Have some hangers. Place for your suitcase if you want to put it up. And a couple of drawers. So, nice, okay. All right, little closet, which I believe has the ironing board. Oh, and it has a light. All right, so, little ironing board closet, and there's our iron on the bottom. All right, the bathroom. So the bathroom's quite large in my opinion for a room of this size, which is great. It's quite modern and quite bright. So we have the modern sink. There's your hair dryer down there. There's their makeup mirror, which is fabulous. It's hard to go into to hotels and not have a makeup mirror. Nice, well lit. One thing I want to show you though while I'm in here is, so since this is an airport hotel, they really want you to be aware of what time it is so you don't miss your flight. And it did have a little night light underneath there, so you don't have to worry about coming into the bathroom very dark. Let's see, toiletries. All right, so facial soap. What is this? Body lotion, a couple washcloths. And then over here, we actually have a good sized tub. It's in great condition. Actually, this whole room is. There's no marks of paint, there's no dings, there's nothing. So a nice size shower head, give you perspective of size, and I have larger hands. And nicely well done bathtub. Oh, and there's some more toiletries up there. So what do we have? We have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. All right, we've got the water closet over here. Well, not closet for lack of better terms, but toilet's kind of isolated. Towels, little trash can, and then we also have a separate shower. So this is right next to the tub. The shower head for tub's right over on this side of the wall, and then you also have the standing shower. So this one looks more of like a rain shower head. The other one looked like it was changed. So very, very clean. And then additional toiletries, so it looks like we have a bar of soap as well in here. So overall, nice bathroom. Its tiles are all good, clean. It's, as I said, the paint's not dinged or anything. There's no nicks, there's no damage to the tub. The glass door is frosted, which is nice. And a nice outside view from our room. So good size room. I'm more than comfy with it. Part of me likes to have 2 beds because then I get to pick from all the pillows, and I don't mind when I'm traveling by myself if I have the extra bed. I get to kind of pick as to which. And oh yes, there is a full-length mirror. Oh, and then this is kind of neat. This is actually jackets rack, so you can open these and it just makes it so you don't have to have these standing out and running into or getting hooked on. But if you have someplace and you put your jacket, then that works. It's fine. so overall, that's my room that I'm staying at. I'm at the Hyatt Regency inside the Orlando International Airport. So I'm staying here again because I've got an early morning flight, so this makes it convenient. I live about an hour away from the airport, so this is quite nice. I don't have to rush or get up terribly early in the morning. This airport is it was updated a little bit over COVID, which is nice. And I'm thinking that they probably, now that being updated this room. However, that being said, I actually haven't been in this hotel before, so it's kind of hard to say if it has, but it looks nice. I'm looking at the molding and the walls, and it's just, there's no marks, there's no dings, there's no torn up carpet. It's actually really nice, so I'm quite happy with it. And I hope you've enjoyed this review, and we're gonna keep these going as we start our travels more, which hopefully will be more frequent since we're getting on the opposite side of COVID. Hope everybody's been well. Remember to like this, put a comment below if you'd want to see a different room in this hotel, so next time when I come through here, I'll stay at in a different room. Let me know what other feedback you'd like to see, whether you're looking for kid friendly, whether you're looking for just adults. More details on the in-room dining, which was great. Ended up with a poke bowl, sushi, and then french fries. My husband got the salad, so steak salad. So very good room. Room service was great too, by the way. So leave comments, like the video, subscribe, and do share. So talk with you all soon, and thank you for keeping up with us. Bye.